How to send photos iPhone to iPhone with AirDrop. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to AirDrop. From here, select Everyone for 10 minutes. After that, turn on the toggle switch for bringing devices together. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. From here, open the photo you want to send. Tap on the Share icon at the bottom left to open the Share options. In the Share sheet, tap on AirDrop. Wait for nearby devices to appear, then tap on the other iPhone from the list. The sending progress displays as a blue ring around the chosen contact, and the label changes to Sent when the transfer completes. Transfers work quickly when both devices are nearby and unlocked, making this method dependable. Following these steps, you can easily send photos iPhone to iPhone with AirDrop.